Accord is in the shop, so I have to drive the M3. Not that I'm complaining about that, but let's get the startup going. So we gotta weld these parts, and we're gonna get this on there after. This finally is getting some exhaust work. Well, I mean, it has the X pipe, but we are finally gonna get the M Performance muffler on it. Back at Muffler Doctor, so that's the exhaust shop I choose to work on all my cars. If you're in SoCal, I'll definitely recommend them. But yeah, we're gonna get this little sound test as well. Hopefully this sounds and looks better. Not that the stock exhaust looks bad, but I do want a different look. Just a little. Oh. So this is what it looks like in its stock form. Tips are pretty unextraordinary, just kind of ordinary, but yeah. Yeah. Alright, so here's how the system looks from below. It's the stock muffler all the way to the X-pipe, the Mach Schnell X-pipe. But yeah, as you can tell, the underside's pretty clean in terms of no like leakage and stuff. So I'm pretty happy about that, but I'm excited to see how these new tips look once they're on. Alright, so this is what it looks like. They had to weld the cracked areas, that's why it kind of looks like it has bubbles. But that's unavoidable because there were cracks. The only way to fix it is to weld on top. And that's essentially what happened. So hopefully this sounds really good and it doesn't crack like really soon, but we'll see. It's still hung on in the corner. Well, here's the stock one. It's pretty big. It doesn't have the cutout like the other one does, so this should be definitely louder, the one that's going on. Got the M Performance exhaust finally going in. It's not much different than stock. I think it's just really, it's lighter. It might be a little bit louder, but I can't really say until it's on. Once this part is in, all we just need to do is put the M Performance muffler and then it'll be done. I'm hoping it sounds a lot better. Not that it sounded bad with the OEM muffler, I just needed a little bit more volume, maybe a little bit more aggressiveness, but we'll see. All right, so M Performance exhaust is getting put on. You can tell that the tips look way better than the stock ones, but we're mostly looking for the sound. But the stock tips definitely look way different and smaller. It's definitely filling it up better, and yeah, just looking forward to how it sounds. So here you can see this is the full system. Starts out with the Mach Schnell X pipe all the way to the M Performance exhaust, and you can tell it has the cutouts, so it's gonna be pretty loud. From behind, it looks way better, so I'm happy about that. But I'm more curious about the sound, so let's get it in the next clip. It has the M symbol on the tips, which is pretty cool, so yeah. Alright, so the E90 M3 is back. I'm finally back home. My first impressions is looks wise, it definitely looks a lot better. The tips aren't actually that much bigger than the, like, I guess the non-M Performance exhaust, but the fact that it has the M emblems on engraved inside of it, I think looks really good, or on it, it looks really good. Also, it is much more aggressive, especially on the downshifts, and it has a deeper tone and growl. So I am very excited to start driving it more. But we are going to get a full sound breakdown in a future video. So if you guys can give me a like, comment, and subscribe, I would greatly appreciate it. But I am going to be back to uploading more consistently, so make sure to stay tuned. Sorry about being gone for like a week, or not a week. I've been gone for like a month, and it's not been consistent. I'm sorry about that, but we are going to be back, I promise, and it's going to be better. So trust me on that. I'll see you in the next upload.